Thirikari ya kaunti ya Embu niambiritie mubango jwa gucokaniiria kiingiro kia nyomo kia MWEA ta njira ya gucokaniiria utalii kaunti-ini iu. Gukurukira minista wa utalii na biashara kaunti-ini iu ni ati mubango JUJU bari jugita bagwatanirite na ndwangi cia onjorithia kiumbe nikenda gukinyaniria kiroto gia kureta atalii na gucokia nkuma ya kiingiro kiu kia nyomo kia MWEA.
Yako ina zoom.
Actually, in terms of Embu County plans, these are unique potential facility that we have not been able to utilize very well. Today we are here to set the pace in terms of starting programs, working closely with the private sector as one of the key components in terms of initiative, and we feel honored to have them here together with our colleagues from Kenya Wildlife Service. We feel honored, and we really need to say that this is one of our areas that we really need to invest and actually be able to ensure that all of us enjoy and have good experience in Embu County.
This open it up. This behind me is Kamburu Dam. This is where River Tana meets with River Nithi. This is one of the hidden gems of Embu County. Waziri himself has hosted us to show us how beautiful this place is. We are in partnership with the Kenya Wildlife Service. We're in partnership with 1,000 lenses to open up Embu County to the world. Visit Embu.